Hello from GearNature.com. This is Mark Josie. Today I would like to talk about the Tiberius T8.1 and how to use HPA without linking the gun to the remote host. So we have a tank here, Ninja tank, 850 psi output, normal tank. So all you need basically is the adapter that you can buy from any paintball store, and basically what it is just a stick like that, and the stick does not have any valve, so you can see through it, and so you cannot just put air in here and expect it to work, because it's not going to work. So air is going to be leaking, right? So you need a remote hose to connect to the gun. So basically what you do right now, you see I just screw that all the way in, and then tighten it up with your hand. Okay. Tighten up. So basically just hand tighten it is fine. No need to use any tools. Okay. And right now you put the thing into your gun, and you can basically put a hose right here. But I have one concern during my shooting session, is that sometimes I just don't need a hose. And I don't give a shit about if the gun looks really bad with the tank right there installed, okay? So, usually, people will want a hose and put it on their belt. But right now, I don't, right? I want it to be very compact for home shooting. So what you need is one of these. This is actually a ASA block CP, okay? And so, it's equipped with a quick disconnect. You can buy this thing from a website that I'll put in the description link, and basically it comes with this and also another coupling with this thing that is meant for the QB78 air rifle. So right now what I do is I have this on-off ASA. I can now put my tank right here directly, and let's just screw that on. And so I can use HPA right now without having any issues. All I need to do is turn this all the way in, and then it will puncture the pin valve on the tank. Air will flow up just like usual, and that's it. Very cool, eh? Okay, so let's get shooting and try this thing out. Today we'll be using some riot balls. Okay guys, today we'll be shooting some 3.9 gram riot control round, just so that they are reusable, very reusable, and so that I can do demonstration, show you that it's gonna work. So mag spring all the way down. Oh crap, never mind, I'll just push it in. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rounds. Okay, the only problem is this thing kind of dangle here and there, but it's fine. You can use that as a stock, and it's totally fine. Okay, right now we're facing the range, and you can see I just put my mag in like so. Okay, and air up the gun. So all I need to do is turn. Okay, turn. See, now the gun is aired up. Okay, so basically, whoa. Basically, we can now go shooting. See, I can use this as a stock. Okay, so we did our 8 shots. Now all we need to do is eject the mag, and we can still shoot. Okay, just like that. Make sure that this thing is screwed in all the way, because a while ago it was kind of not functioning so properly. Okay, and by the way, after the air is up, it won't dangle around so much as when it's empty. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 round. Okay, now let's shove it back into the gun. Okay, and as you see right now, the thing is not dangling as crazy as before when there's pressure inside here. So that's pretty safe. Okay, pretty safe. Okay, let's do 8 more shots. And basically, if you look, this can be put into my shoulder. So right now it's actually one of my my support as well. Okay. Okay, very loud. I'm shooting on high power. Okay, so now I'm done. Eject the mag again. So what do I do when I don't need the air inside, right? I don't want to empty everything. What you need to do is just this. Unscrew. So now it's not pushing on the pin valve, and it should release all the air. Okay, right now what the problem is, there's no air, but there's air inside here. Maybe we will need to push it into the mag. I mean the gun. See if there's any air. Okay, there's no more air. Good. So we should be able to just go like that and release. Done. So just let you see, right now the tank is also degassed. Very nice. Woohoo! Okay, so we did 2 mags of shot. Dropped a little bit of pressure on the tank, but basically it works fine. So as you can see, this can be a very nice alternative option for home shooting. So if you're shooting HPA with the T8.1 and maybe you're just testing out the gun, or you're just shooting at home for fun, you don't really need a big hose and a big tank, right? So this method can bring you some joy while shooting HPA that you can pump up with a hand pump or using a compressor. Very cool. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like. Bye-bye!